So my name is Michael and I'm taking you behind the scenes into how applications actually run in production. In the last videos I've spoken about how the internet works on a basic level, why we need Kubernetes, and now I'm going to be talking about what objects run in Kubernetes. In the Kubernetes cluster, objects are basically various features or various little tools that perform a particular function for your application, whether it's exposing your application to the internet, whether it's scaling out your application and scaling them back in, or just running your application or holding the components that run your application. That's what objects do. The most important, I'll say the most important because that's what actually holds your application. The most important component in your Kubernetes cluster is your Kubernetes pod. Now your pod basically holds various containers that make up a single unit of your application. So if you have an application and you want to run your application as a container, that container is put into a pod and Kubernetes manages that pod, thereby managing your container that contains your application. The thing to know about a container is that it could be contained in many pods, but those containers within that pod share one IP address. Another thing about pods is that pods are ephemeral, which means that within their runtime, they run within a session, and when they are spun up or spun down, all the information that is created with them will be lost, right? So they are stateless. There are other objects within Kubernetes that help manage this pod better and manage your applications, and we'll see those in the next videos. So see you next time.